In this video, I will show you how to make crispy chicken fries using just one coating. This method gives you chicken that is crispy on the outside, tasty, and also juicy inside. If you have struggled with dry or soggy chicken before, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. All the ingredients are on the screen and listed in the description below. First, mix lemon juice and milk to make buttermilk. Combine and set it aside. This helps soften the chicken and adds a beautiful taste. Buttermilk, tender chicken. Next, accurately measure your flour and seasonings. Proper measurement helps your coating come out clean, even, and balanced. Too much flour, heavy coating. Pat the chicken dry using a paper towel. Remove excess water so the coating sticks better. In a bowl, mix egg, buttermilk, and salt. Combine well and keep it aside. Add the chicken to the egg mixture. Cover and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. The longer it marinates, the more tasty it becomes. Halfway through, turn the chicken so it marinates evenly. Take the marinated chicken and coat it with the seasoned flour. Press gently. This is a single coating, so don't rush. Fry the chicken on low heat until it turns pale in color. This step cooks the chicken inside without burning the coating. The important tip here is that the low heat cooks the inside. Then remove the chicken from the oil and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This helps to lock the juice inside. Now increase the heat and fry the chicken again until it turns beautifully golden and crispy. High heat helps to make the chicken crispy outside. Remove from the oil and drain excess oil. Serve hot with any sauce of your choice. And that's how to make crispy chicken fries using just one coating. Simple and easy. No dry meat. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Remember that home cooking is always better. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.